So in today's video we've got another property tour. Now we'll be taking a look at this fantastic 2-bedroom cottage here in the Mayenne in northwestern France. Now the property behind me is on the market for only 76,000 euros. So I want to show you just how affordable property can be here in this part of France. So without further ado, let's go and have a look inside and see exactly what you can get for this kind of money. Okay, so the agent's just opened up the house, so yeah, let's go and have a look inside. Okay, so I think it's time for me to take a closer look around. So over here, we've got the living area with a wood-burning fireplace, some nice exposed stone on that far wall. And then over here, we've got the kitchenette area with a nice breakfast bar. And then over here, we have the downstairs bathroom. So yeah, very nice. Cosy little cottage. Wouldn't it be lovely if this fire was on right now? Because it's quite cold outside here in France in January, and yeah, it would certainly be perfect to, sit by the fire with a nice cup of tea or coffee, hot beverage of choice, and yeah, retreat inside away from the cold. Fully renovated property, insulated as well. So yeah, this kind of property would be absolutely perfect for a holiday home here in rural France. Now we're also not too far away from the UK. The ferry port of Ouistreham is just about an hour and a half away, and Saint-Malo as well is about an hour and 30 minutes from here. So stick around, because later on in the video we'll be taking a look around the village and the broader area in general to show you just how lovely this part of France really is. So in my humble opinion, this property here would make the perfect rural escape. It would be the perfect property to come and have a bit of a, countryside retreat, not too far away from home. I'll explain why I think it works so well as a second home shortly. So the good thing about this property is there's also plenty of outside space, so perfect for coming in the summer, and having dinner outside, having a bit of a barbecue, having a fire with family and with friends. It's absolutely perfect. So you can understand why so many Brits do actually look to coming to France and buying a secondary home for this exact reason. And as you may have noticed, there is a road just behind me here. It isn't very busy, I'll be very honest. If it was busy I'd say. Since I've been here, a couple of cars have gone past, and yeah, so it's not too bad. So what makes a property like this the perfect candidate for a secondary home in France? Well, to begin with, it's a detached cottage, so it's got lots of charm, lots of character, and yeah, some nice old stone. It's the sort of place that people really appreciate about this region of France. The second point is that it's not too big, so it's easy to manage once you're away. Since we're not too far away from the UK, it's also perfect for short getaways. You can come across on the Channel Tunnel, you could come by a ferry at Caen or Saint-Malo, and yeah, it's very close to the UK, so that's also a big plus. The property is fully renovated, so there's no problems of having to worry about doing DIY. You can just relax whilst you're on holiday. Since the property is in a village location, it means that there's the neighbours around who will keep an eye on your property just in case, the worst happens. And there's also private parking as well, which is really good, and a nice sized garden. So as a former estate agent myself, I would love it when I got properties like this on my portfolio. because I knew that I could easily find a buyer for this kind of property, since I worked for an agency that had quite a lot of international buyers, especially Brits who were looking for a secondary home in France. So if I got something like this, I knew that there was a good chance that I'd be selling the property. So if you are interested in having a look at this property and, you know, potentially arranging a visit, the link is below in the description. And yeah, a big thanks to Gorron Immobilier, who have helped me make this video today. So yeah, just behind me, we've got the church bells ringing. They don't ring too often. It's the first time they've rung since I've been here. But yeah, it certainly does add to that village charm when you're, you know, buying a property in France. The property has a fosse septique, which is up to norms, and the roof is in decent enough condition, although there is some wear. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tour of that property, and yeah, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section below what you thought of it. Okay, so let's go and have a little explore around the village and see what the area has to offer. So the property is located in Saint Aubin Fossé Louvain, which is situated here in the northwest of the Mayenne. As you can see, the village is very quiet, offering a break away from the fast pace of modern life, whether you live in the city or the suburbs. You are sure to find tranquility here. This area is popular with British expats, as you can tell from some of the Christmas decorations here. We are under 10 minutes away from the small town of Gorron, which has bars, restaurants, a supermarket, and all of the other small town amenities that you may need. So the area offers a nice balance. The granite stone certainly does shape the local architecture. Take a look at this building 100 years ago. Here it is today. It's pretty much unchanged. I'm not an expert on architecture, but I'm sure this property is at least 500 years old, being from the medieval period. If this property was on the market, I'd sure love to do a property tour here. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's just around the corner from the house we visited. The countryside around here is very green, so you are immersed in nature. In French, it's known as le bocage mayennais, which means the hedgerow country, and Mayenne because it's in the Mayenne department. Why is this area so popular with British buyers in particular? Well, the main reason is it's lovely countryside first and foremost. You know, everyone wants to live in a nice place because, believe it or not everywhere in France is nice. And secondly, and most importantly I'd say, is you get very good value for money in this region of France. So basically your money goes further. So a combination of these reasons explains why this area is quite popular with British buyers. So if you liked the video, subscribe for more property tours in the future, and bye for now.